Hi friends, it's another foodie brunch for today. I'm making scrambled egg with fried sausage, garnished with spring onion.
Clever if necessary. Whatever it takes to really bring that blend together is what I'm gonna do.
So we only need a few ingredients like egg, sausages, spring onion, cooking oil, salt and pepper. So first I have to fry the sliced sausages and then spray this with a little bit of oil. So and I'm using the air fryer to fry my sausages, just like to minimize the usage of oil. And I'm going to do this for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. While waiting for our sausage to cook, we have to beat first our 4 eggs together with some of our spring onions and season this with salt and pepper. So let's find out if our sausage is ready. So here we are. Might be additional, we need to put more time in it. And here it is, it's all good. So we'll just have to wait this cool down before we have to mix this with our scrambled egg. Okay, so for frying we need to heat up our pan in a medium-high heat and then add these 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and we'll have to wait for it to heat up. Okay, so while waiting for our oil to heat up and our sausage are all a little bit cool, and I have to mix this with our scrambled egg. Nasaan lugar? Yep, mix first, and then when it's ready we can put this all in the frying pan. Then let this simmer for at least like 5 minutes or so until it's all done. Okay. So all done, and let's do our plating. So this is it, guys. My brunch is all set. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell button for more notification. Bye for now, friends. See you later.